Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. I do videos on lifestyle, beauty, travel and just anything and everything that I like. Also, if you're not following me on my Instagram, follow that. I'm gonna have my username here. I post a lot. I'm super active there. You'll get to know what I do on a daily basis. So do that. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. I want this community to grow. It is growing. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. It's free. If you like this video, I'm sure you'll enjoy my content. So yeah, anyway, today's video is going to be a super exciting video because it's going to be about hair care, and you guys know how much value hair care. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you already know I have really dry, frizzy, puffy hair. Then I came across this brand that does personalized hair care solutions, like personalized hair care routines. I was super excited, and the brand that I'm talking about is FreeWill. I've been seeing YouTubers in the West using personalized hair care solutions, and I never knew that India has a brand that does that. But when I came across FreeWill, I was super excited. They literally customize everything according to your problem, your hair texture, your lifestyle, your hair goals. And when I got to know and when I got a chance to try it, I was super excited. The video is going to be all about my experience with FreeWill and how my hair is right now, and I'm going to take you through everything. So let's get started. So what is FreeWill? FreeWill is a brand that does personalized, customized hair care solutions only for you. We tend to use shampoos just essay, shampoos are not made exactly for your hair type and your hair profile. We tend to use just random shampoos that, maybe for smooth and shine, for anti-dandruff, for dry hair, for oily hair, for itchy scalp. We do not go into the ingredients, we do not go into the itty bitties that actually matter to hair, but FreeWill customizes the whole product according to your hair profile, which is absolutely amazing. So the ingredients that are selected for you are according to a quiz and a consultation that you take, which I will show you at the end of the video, to answer all the questions that they ask, through which they'll understand how your hair is and what is your hair problem and what are your hair goals. According to that, they will select personalized ingredients just for your hair. Ingredients that were selected for my hair are, I have all of that written here. Omega-7 fatty acids, which hydrates and nourishes your hair, which is exactly what I need. Like, my hair is super dry, if I cannot stress that enough. The next ingredient, that jojoba oil, which is rich in vitamins and nourishes the hair to retain the moisture, which is very important. My hair tends to lose the moisture as it goes. This is exactly what I need. Next ingredient is keratin. We all know keratin is so good for your hair. It provides a protective layer to your hair so that the amount of damage you do to your hair, it protects it from it. And the last ingredient is omega-6 and omega-9, which is rich in vitamin E. Argan oil, we already know how important argan oil and how amazing argan oil is. It hydrates your hair. So basically, my hair goals were anti-dryness, anti-frizz, smooth and shine. So all of the ingredients that have been chosen for me will help me get really supple, nourished hair. And so how this works basically is you take an online consultation. When you go to the site, you take an online consultation. They identify what your hair profile is, how your hair is, and what are your hair goals. And according to that, they select hair ingredients for you and just you, and you get your whole personalized kit. They offer no contact, sanitized delivery. Sitting at home, you can get a personalized hair care solution. The products are completely sanitized, taken care of, and then it comes, and they give you non-contact delivery, which is very important in these times. So this is how you get your product. This is how it's packaged. You get your shampoo, conditioner and serum. Also, it's made in India, vocal for local, support Indian businesses. This is the shampoo, which is 250 ml, the conditioner, which is 150 ml, and the serum, which is my absolute favorite. Taking you through some snippets of me using the product. So that's gonna come here now. Hi guys, I am going to be using this today for the first time, and I'm really excited. So this is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. I'm going to try it and then come back. Now my hair is sort of towel dried, and I'm going to be applying the serum. This is just going to take 2 to 3 drops. It seems really thick. I'm just going to take 3 drops. I'm just going to rub it. It smells so good. And then randomly apply it to the mid-length. You don't want to apply the serum near your roots, because then that will take away from the volume. So I'm just going to apply it in the end length of my hair. I am done applying the serum. You know how sometimes some shampoos make your hair feel really rubbery, extremely squeaky clean, not the good squeaky clean, and your hair feels very weird and gives a very rubbery texture. This does not do that, because if shampoos do that, I don't really like it. And I'm done applying the serum. We'll see how my hair dries, how soft it is and all of that. So yeah, see how this shampoo works out. Hi guys, my hair is all dry as you can see, and you can clearly see the amount of volume this shampoo has given me. It's nuts. I have not heat styled or done anything to my hair. It's just air dried. Sort of straight hair, like straight hair with a lot of puffiness and a lot of frizz, if you can relate. And that is how my hair is looking just by air drying. It feels really soft, and trust me, I have really dry hair. But in general, the volume is crazy. Like, can you see the amount of volume my hair has? Like, the volume is so good, and I really like it. I like really voluminous thick hair. Everyone likes it. This is how my hair is looking after just the first wash. I'm going to be updating you guys and taking snippets here and there, but you know, I think for the first time it's done a really good job. I look real cute, don't I? That's because I've done chumpy to my hair, and that's the reason my hair looks so crazy. I wanted to test out if the shampoo can remove the oil from the hair and the smell, especially the smell, because no one likes oily smelling hair. I'm gonna go test out the shampoo and show you how my hair is looking. So yeah, we'll see if the oil and smell can go off. I have washed my hair, and as you can see, all the oil has come off and my hair looks its natural puffy self. The smell has also gone, you know, could remove the oil really well. Actually nothing's there, and my hair feels so soft. Like, my hair genuinely feels so soft, and I cannot stop saying that. So it's been over 2 weeks that I've been using my personalized hair care regime. I want to share my thoughts and experience about what I think about this and how it helped my hair and have I achieved my hair goals. Basic terms, my hair goals were to get rid of the dryness and frizziness in my hair. Honestly, my hair has become pretty soft and nourished. In the clip where I used these products for the first time, my hair instantly felt pretty soft. It feels really soft and nourished every time I use it. I also have a serum with it, and the serum really works for my hair. I use the serum so much, I literally use it every day. Also, one of the really main and really important things that right now I'm trying to get into my hair care routine is sulfate and paraben free products. And this is sulfate and paraben free. That is so important for your hair. Try and not use sulfate and parabens on your hair. They damage your hair. It's a vicious cycle. They're completely sulfate and paraben free, so that's amazing. So if you're anything like me, you really like your hair smelling good, it's super important for me that my shampoo and conditioner has to smell really good. I do not use shampoos and conditioners that do not have a good smell. And this smells of peaches and apricots and just sweet dreams. This smells so good, and that is so important for me. I mean, you want your hair smelling good, right? So yeah, that's just another thing that I wanted to mention, because if you're anything like me and if you want your hair to smell good, this works. So this is how the online consultation will look like for them to understand your hair profile, and to get your personalized kit ready. The questions vary from the length of your hair, the thickness of your hair, the volume of your hair, how dry your hair is, if you have dandruff, if your scalp is itchy or sensitive. They also take in consideration the amount of appliances you use on your hair. Now here comes the hair goals. As you can see, mine are smoothness, anti-dryness and anti-frizz. Here you get to select the color that you want and the fragrance that you want for your shampoo. And here you get to personalize your hair kit, which mine is AB. And then you can get a full analysis of your hair and your hair profile. And then comes the part where you get to see the ingredients that I mentioned in the video. And then you can go onto the cart and you have your personalized kit ready. Interested in buying this product, I'm gonna have a discount code right here. You can use that and get 10% off on your whole personalized kit, the shampoo, conditioner and serum. I'm gonna have a link in my description box from where you can just click it and buy it. Don't forget to check out my description box. I'm gonna have the link there. So yeah, I really like this. I was super excited to try it because, you know, a personalized kit just sounded so perfect and nice, and it turned out to be exactly that. I really like this product, so it is 110% AB approved. If you're interested, don't forget to use my discount code. I'm gonna have everything down in the description box. And yeah, that's that for the video. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on my socials, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye.